So I'm always up to something. So remember when I said that they were too small? See the difference? This is the one that I have on my wheel. I had because I took it off. Way too small. But I took it off. I'm gonna put it here. Perfect fit. All I gotta do is glue it. And then this was the old one that I had on my car. See how dirty, like full of crap? That's why I was feeling weird when I went to open the door, like both sides were like this. I wanted black, all of them, but the front doors they didn't have with this little remote, whatever it's called. So I tried to fix it. I tried to make this fit over here, but it didn't come out as good. So all I did was glue it. I'll show you later because they're all installed on my car already now. So now I'm not gonna have any problems like falling off. Like they were falling off. I lost, like I said before, I lost 3 of the covers on the car wash on the tunnel. So now I have spare parts. I'm not gonna use those because like the ones on the car, like this one, probably gonna throw it away. But this one I'm gonna keep it just in case if I ever need it. I have some extra. This one I'm gonna work on this today. I have 1 on the car already installed, so I still gotta do 3. And then tomorrow I can put it on the car again. And one more thing. I don't know if you guys remember that I was talking about some gauges. Look what I got. Came in today. So I'm thinking about doing oil temperature, one for the battery and alternator tank. I think is both, and then 1 clock, just because I don't want to like leave it like empty. And this is the one, the stock one. It's almost a perfect fit. And here it fits nice, pretty much. Here it doesn't exactly match, but I'm not worried about it. The only problem is here, but I'm gonna cut it. Comes off a little bit. Oops. Yeah, comes off a little bit. I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna cut in. This is almost not gonna show because it's gonna be like by the dash. So I'm always up to something. I'll show you guys later the license plate lights. How it looks at night. That's the old one. And what else? What else I have to show you guys? Let me see. I think that's it. Okay, what do you guys think about that? Bright enough or no? So in here, the center caps. All 4 installed. And the door handle covers back. Now they're not gonna come off just like that. See how like I'm pulling a little bit, it doesn't come off that easy. The other one was coming off all four also. And inside the gauge spots, looks nice. Doesn't really match, but I'm not worried about it. There's a little gap over here, but that's not gonna bother me. I ordered all 3 gauges. Should be coming next week. I think 1 on Monday, the other one 2 on Monday, and the other one Tuesday. I'll be working on those next week. Then after that I can show you guys the final product, let you guys know how it looks, how it works, see if it works fine and everything, and then I'll be done for now, for this video at least. I got more things I want to do, but let me know what you guys think for now.